The next year is just around the corner, and all the hot girls need to prepare for the next year to absolutely crush it. And I'm here to share basically what we implemented that were a huge game changer for us, because now we are on the track to scale hardcore. And that's what I'm going to share with you guys. A few simple strategies that you can implement right now to jump into the new year crushing it. Because to be honest, business shouldn't be or feel that hard. People shouldn't be scared of your offer. People should be buying like crazy. So if you feel the same way, a little bit stuck, and you're like, okay, what is going on? Why are things not going as expected in my business? They're not making enough sales, not closing enough clients, not being able to sustain our team, not being able to scale, not being able to get ad or lead costs down. When just things don't work as smoothly as they used to be, you know there's something that you need to change, and not something small. You need to radically change the way you market. Either your business model just doesn't work anymore, or you just need to shift your advertisement strategy, because the market always matures. So here's a few things that I implemented after realizing that I want to be the lion and not the name zebra. Last year, we lost a lot of capital that triggered a whole shift in our business dropping like crazy. So now, we were struggling finding good sales talent that is ethical, that actually provides value to clients, and that also can make sales on a high level. So we had to switch up our sales strategy completely. So here's what we did. What we noticed before is it's hard for closers to close the leads, and it is hard to find good sales talent that actually focuses on helping people. We designed a process where anyone we hire doesn't need to be good at sales. They just need to be an awesome person, a great personality, know some stuff about business, and ideally know stuff about what we do at Creators Training, which is digital marketing, funnel design, sales, basically the fundamentals of launching any business and scaling any business. So now we are hiring from our own community that already landed a ton of clients can now help new people coming in, and we don't need high-level salespeople that train for years and think they're the shit. We just hire people from our community that already are living now the digital nomad life, because they might have been in a 9-to-5 before, and now after going through the program, they actually landed their first clients, and now they can help other people. Now that is genuine, because they really care about anyone who's coming in, because they have been in their shoes. So that's the first problem we solved. Now the second problem was people don't trust online businesses anymore. So we decided to implement a trial to have people actually check out our community, because we know our community is amazing, but people outside of our community wouldn't even see our community and how great it was. So we decided to add a trial so people can check out everything that's in the program, check out the coaching calls, check out the one-on-one success coaches, the course, the community. And that really moved the needle for us, because now we have a sales team that genuinely cares, that doesn't need to have sales skills, that's just honestly nice and helpful. And now we have a way for people to go into the course, not being scared, just paying $49 and feel confident in their decision. And they know, okay, this is not a scam, this is actually real. And we give them, like in 7 days, we give them the most valuable resources that they've ever seen in their life, basically. So most people come out now like, oh my God, this is life-changing, and like, it's so worth it. And then with that, they know, okay, if I want to go further and if I want to, continue this, then yes, I'm 100% sure this is good for me, and they upgrade automatically. That is kind of our new philosophy. Let them decide if it's for them or not, and don't sell. Just provide value. So this would be my first advice, is like observe your market, observe if things have changed, and see if it's a talent problem or a sales process problem, which for us it was both. So look at your business and see, hey, do I maybe need to design a process that's easier to find talent for, so I don't struggle that much with that, or do I need to improve the sales process, or both? Now, the second thing we implemented that had a huge impact is to get our cost per call down, because if you run a business, you usually have business metrics such as cost per purchase or cost per call, and you want that to be as low as possible, obviously. So the lower you get that number, the higher your profit margins are. For us, our number was, in my opinion, way too high. Our cost per call was about $100 2020, and we got it down by improving ads and improving our booking process by hiring a few setters and just making sure they call leads within 5 minutes when they opt in, to $80-$90 right now. But we're still like in 2024, we're still trying to get it down to like $40-$30. That's our biggest goal. What else did we do? We implemented new ads, because before that we literally ran branding ads for like 3 years, and these ads would convert like crazy, and they would just be like a travel video or something like that. And it's honestly surprising to me that these ads actually converted for 3 years. We didn't have to do anything in our ads manager. All we did is run the exact same ad and scale the budget up or down. We didn't make any new ads. Now, I think after a great 3-year run, it was time to actually switch it up. So our new ad strategy is find winning reels, or reels that perform really well that I personally post on my account. And then I take the first like 4 or 5 seconds and turn that into an ad. And that has skyrocketed our conversions. Now, instead of paying $8-7 per message consistently since the past 4 months since we implemented this, I'm getting a $2 cost per message.
With the same ad spend, we got a $2 cost per message versus $8 cost per message,
which is absolutely crazy.
Imagine you can cut your cost almost more than in half.
And the third thing that we did in this whole year to become the lion and not the zebra was we were kind of spreading out in different industries as well. So Julian and I went heavily into AI and coding.
Jenny, show me what you're doing right now. How
I don't know what I'm doing.
How did you end up in localhost? Where did... Oh my God, Jenny.
Our own platforms, for example, SalesGod. We also implemented AI setters and closers. So just to give us an advantage in the market where we can automate as much as possible now with AI, because we have a 5-people dev team. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And the reason why we did branch out is specifically because we realized, wow, we only have one stream of income.
Total zebra vibes.
So when your business goes down, like you don't want to be dependent on just that one business. You want to have like 3-4 businesses ideally that go up or down in revenue, and you always stay on the safe side. Now that's kind of what we have been focusing on. Like I personally invested in crypto a lot.
Jenny, what are you doing?
I'm looking at charts, and I'm also watching my crypto videos like every morning.
So like that is my other stream of income, but that's obviously not safe enough because I don't have no control over the markets. And I must say, like running so many things at the same time is extremely overwhelming, to the point where like sometimes I feel like I can't breathe, and I definitely feel it's insanely burned out. I think part of this is also like not being aligned with like the goals that, you know, I was hoping for the business to hit in the last year. So it just feels very draining if you put all your energy in one thing and you don't get the results you want. But I now realize, like in the past year, we've done everything to get to the point now where we are able to scale again and revamp the whole business side of things. So all I'm trying to say here is don't give up. If you feel a little bit lost in your business right now, re-evaluate your whole strategy and process. And just by branching out into new industries, you will feel less burned out. I can vouch for that. And you'll be able to take that knowledge into your original business and start separating yourself from your competition, because they don't know what you learned in the past year or months. So with that said, let's be the lion in the next year, not the zebra, and love you all. We got this.